Hi, I'm a Microsoft MVP in PowerPoint from Japan. Here is a little PowerPoint magic. First, apply an animation to the temari. Select line from motion paths. In Effect Options, select Right. Extend the motion path to the right. Open the animation pane. Open Effect Options. Set them to 0 seconds. Turn on Auto Reverse. Next, set the timing. Set the duration to 5 seconds. 5 seconds is one way. The round trip is 10 seconds. Next, add an animation to the bamboo. Use the emphasis blink animation. Open Effect Options. In Timing, set the duration to 10 seconds. Start this animation with the previous one. In front when moving right, behind when moving left. This requires a bit of mathematical thinking. Actually, there are 2 bamboo layers. For clarity, the back bamboo is colored purple. The animation is applied to the green bamboo. "10 seconds covers hide, show, and hide again." That's all. Thank you for watching.